Extreme weather is making headlines again. From Florida's mysterious dense fog to Japan's record-breaking snowstorm, these events are causing major disruptions. What's behind these unusual conditions, and what does it mean for the future? Let's dive in. Florida, known for its sunshine, is now experiencing a strange phenomenon: thick, lingering fog. Residents woke up to near-zero visibility, bringing daily life to a standstill. This dense fog has led to massive transportation disruptions. Poor visibility has slowed traffic and caused multiple accidents. Flights have been delayed or canceled due to dangerous conditions. Maritime warnings have been issued as boats struggle to navigate through the fog. Sudden temperature shifts between warm ocean waters and cold air. High humidity levels trapping moisture and prolonging the fog. Industrial or environmental factors affecting air quality. Meteorologists are investigating whether this is a rare event or an early warning of shifting climate patterns. One of the biggest impacts of the fog? Traffic chaos. Major highways like I-75 and I-95 experienced severe slowdowns and partial closures. Multiple vehicle pileups have been reported, putting pressure on emergency services. Air travel disruptions continue, with grounded flights and delays piling up. Authorities warn, drivers should use extreme caution, slow down, and avoid unnecessary travel. Meanwhile, across the globe, Japan is dealing with a completely different type of extreme weather: a massive snowstorm burying entire cities. Hokkaido and northern Honshu are experiencing record-breaking snowfall. Public transport is at a standstill, with canceled trains, buses, and flights. Thousands are without power, as heavy snow and strong winds take down power lines. Avalanche warnings have been issued, urging mountain residents to stay alert. Rescue teams are working tirelessly to restore power and assist stranded residents. Officials in both Florida and Japan are taking action to protect their residents. In Florida, safety advisories have been issued, urging residents to limit outdoor activities. Emergency services are working around the clock to respond to accidents and stranded travelers. In Japan, disaster response teams are clearing snow, restoring power, and assisting affected communities. Local governments have set up temporary shelters for those without electricity. Both regions are racing against time to minimize damage and ensure public safety. So what's next? Will these extreme weather events continue? Florida. Meteorologists predict the fog will gradually clear within the next 24 to 48 hours. However, similar conditions could return in the coming weeks due to ongoing climate fluctuations. Japan. Another wave of snowfall is expected in the coming days. Experts are monitoring whether this is part of a larger climate shift affecting winter patterns across Asia. From dense fog in Florida to record-breaking snow in Japan, extreme weather events continue to challenge communities worldwide. Could they be signals of a changing global climate? Have you ever experienced extreme weather like this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay informed, stay prepared. Subscribe to Mega Disaster Files today for real-time updates on the world's most extreme weather events. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.